Good morning, children. How are you? Very fine. Very good. All of you open your EVS workbook. Open your EVS workbook, volume 1, page number 41. What is religion? Write down the answer. Religion is a set of beliefs and beliefs and practice to worship a superhuman controlling power, the supreme being of deity, the supreme being of deity. Name any three famous advocates of Hinduism. Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya and Vivekananda. Come to your notes. Next, who are Catholics and Protestants? Complete soon. Next, complete soon. Catholics are the Christians. Catholics are the Christians who recognize the authority of Pope, The authority of Pope as their supreme religious god, supreme religious leader. Those who do not recognize the authority of Pope. Those who did not recognize the authority of Pope are called Protestants. Are called complete soul. Next one. Why and how do the giants care for small creatures? Giants believe in non-violence. Giants believe in non-violence. So they care even for small creatures, by wearing masks over their faces to prevent inhaling. Amma, I am writing the third answer, first two lines. By wearing masks over their faces to prevent inhaling of any small insects and the sweep the floor, and they sweep the floor to prevent stepping on any insects. Complete souls. Giants believe in non-violence, so they care even for small creatures by wearing masks over their faces to prevent inhaling of any small insects, and they sweep the floor to prevent stepping on any insects. Next, what are the three tenets of Zoroastrian religion. Amma, this is the fourth answer only. Fourth one only. I am giving fifth one here. Good thoughts. Good thoughts. Good words. Good thoughts. Good words. And good deeds. And good deeds. These are the tenets of Zoroastrian religion. Good deeds. What do you know about yoga? Explain briefly. Amma, I am writing the fourth answer. Hindus believe in yoga. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation. And meditation. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation for their physical, mental, and spiritual body, mind, and soul. Health. Hindus believe in yoga and meditation for their physical, mental and spiritual health. Complete. Next one. Seventh one. Write about any festival you celebrate in brief. Amma, this is your own answer. Write about any one of the festival which is your life. Okay? Some like if you are Muslim, you like Ramzan festival. Like that. What is the festival, forget about that, but write about your favorite festival. That may be Ramzan, that may be Diwali, that may be Dasra, anything. Okay? Write about one of the favorite festival of yours. That is your own answer. Okay? Next. Amma, yesterday I gave this homework. In the previous class, I asked you to complete the table in page number 39. Did you complete? I gave this homework now. I think so. You didn't complete. I am giving now. Complete your answers first. Now, complete the table given below. Amma, Omkaram is a symbol of Hinduism. Here, symbol is given. In the first column, symbol. In the second column, religion, we had to write. The third column, we had to write the founder. And the fourth column, place of worship. Place of worship. And in the fifth column, holy book. Holy book. And in the sixth column, festival. Next, holy place. Next, write a holy place. And in the last column, followers. Followers. First one, Omkaram is a symbol of Hinduism. Write down here, Hinduism. Hinduism. Write down, Hinduism. Symbol. Hinduism. Amma, no founder. For Hinduism, we don't know who is the founder. So keep blank. Place of worship is a temple. The worshipping place is called a temple. Holy book is Bhagavad Gita. Holy book is Bhagavad Gita. And festival is any one of the festival we can write. Diwali. Holy place is Kashi. Followers are Hindus. Followers are Hindus. Holy book is Kashi and followers are Hindus. Next, this is a symbol of Islam. Symbol is, religion is Islam, founder is Prophet Muhammad, founder is Prophet Muhammad,
Place of worship, mosque.
place of worship is mosque, holy book is Quran, holy book is Quran, festival is Ramzan, Ramzan, and holy place is Makkah. Mecca is the holy place and followers are Muslims. Muslims. Followers are Muslims. Makkah and Muslims. Sorry. Islam, Prophet Muhammad, founder is a Prophet Muhammad, and place of worship is mosque, holy book Quran, festival Ramzan, holy place Mecca, and followers are Muslims. Next one is a symbol of Christianity. 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 Founder is Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is a founder. Jesus Christ is a founder, and place of worship is church. Place of worship is church, and holy book is a Bible. Holy book is Bible, and festival is Christmas. Festival is Christmas, and holy place is Jerusalem.
There.
Holy place is Jerusalem, and followers are Christians. Christians. Followers are Christians. Next,
Sikhism.
next is the symbol of Sikhism. Sikhism. Founder is Guru Nanak.
Nanak.
Founder is Guru Nanak. And place of worship Gurudwara. Gurudwara. Place of worship is Gurudwara. And holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Holy book is Guru Granth Sahib. And festival is Guru Parva. Guru Parva. Guru Parab. Guru Parab is a festival, and holy book is
Guru Granth.
wait. Holy book is holy place, Nana. Holy place is Golden Temple. Holy place is Golden Temple, and followers are six. Next, symbol of the Buddhism. Buddhism. Founder is Gautam Buddha. Founder is Gautama Buddha. Founder is Gautam Buddha. And place of worship is called Vihara. Place of worship is called Vihara. And holy book is called Tripitaka. Holy book is called Tripitaka. And festival is Buddha Purnima. Festival is Buddha Purnima. And holy place is Lumbini. Holy place is Lumbini. 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 Holy place is Lumbini. Followers are Buddhist. Buddhism. Founder is Gautam Buddha. And place of worship is called Vihara. Holy book is Tripitaka. Festival is Buddha Purnima. And holy place is Lumbini. Followers are Buddhist. Complete soul. Next is the symbol of Jainism. Symbol of Jainism. Jainism founder is Mahavira. Founder is Mahavira. Mahavira is the founder, and place of worship is called Dilwara. Place of worship is called Dilwara. Their temples are called Dilwara temples. Dilwara, and holy book is Agamas and Kalpasutra. Both are the holy books. Kalpasutra and Agamas. Agamas and Kalpasutra are their holy scriptures. Kalpasutra and Agamas, and festivals are Diwali, also one of the festival of them. Mahavir Jayanti we will write. Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti, and holy place is Gomateshwara. Holy place is Gomateshwara. Gomateshwara, and followers are Jains. Jains. Jainism, Mahavira was a founder. Place of worship is called Dilwara. Holy books are Kalpasutra and Agamas. Festivals are Mahavir Jayanti. Holy place is Gomateshwara, and followers are Jains. Complete soon. Next, Zoroastrianism. Next one is Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism. Founder was the Zoroaster. Zoroaster was the founder. Founder was Zoroaster, and place of worship is a fire temple. Place of worship is a fire temple, and the holy book is the Jend Avesta. Jan Avesta was the holy place, sacred book, and festival. Festival is birth anniversary of Zoroaster or Parsi New Year, also one of the festival. Parsi New Year is also one of the festival. Now we will write this. Parsi New Year, and holy place is Udvada. Udvada is the holy place. Udvada is the holy place, and the Zoroastrians. The followers are Zoroastrians. Zoroastrianism founder was Zoroaster. Place of worship fire temple. Holy book is Jan Avesta. Festivals Parsi New Year. Holy place Udvada, and followers are Zoroastrians. Hey. Next, Judaism. I am writing Buddhism. Next, Judaism. Founder was Abraham.